In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to start a faceless YouTube channel with AI just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial for you guys. Make sure to watch this video until the end if you are interested to start making faceless YouTube channel and start making money on YouTube. This video is for you because I will share with you step by step how we can do it and how we can use free tools and use AI to make a viral and an engaging faceless YouTube videos that will get a million of views and make you so much money. Okay, so let's get started. So I already find this channel on YouTube. This channel upload audio books videos. It's super easy to make those videos. They are friendly and they are easy and simple for people who want to start making faceless YouTube videos for their YouTube channels. This is the niche that you guys can start with. It's easy. You guys can see that those videos are getting a lot of views, thousands of views. You guys can see like this one is it's close to 1 million views, and this video is still getting views. The power of silence make everything. You guys can see like this video, for example, it's super easy to make this one using AI. This one here, and for example, or this one, you guys can see this one, you become what you think. So for example, let's pick this topic and make a video like this one. So what you will do, you just need, and for people who are asking, first let me guys explain this. For people who are asking, can you monetize those videos? Yes, you can. This is the proof. This channel uploading audiobooks, faceless videos, it's monetized and it's making really some good money every single month. Okay, so for example, I will pick this video. I will copy the title. So just copy the title of the video that you want to make. For example, I will make like this one. And what you will do next, you just need to go to chat gpt. If you don't have chat gpt AI, you guys can go to Google. Let me show you, and you can search for chat gpt like this, and here you go. Let me show you. You can click here and sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and you can use just the free version. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. Just click here on message and ask ChatGPT, create an engaging YouTube script about this book. Okay, so I will put this title here. You become what you think, the secret to transform your life. Okay, I will delete this and I will click here, and here you go. ChatGPT will create an amazing and an engaging YouTube script that you guys can start using to make those faceless YouTube videos. So what you will do next, you just need to turn this script into voiceover, and I will show you guys how we can do it. Okay, so and here you go. You guys can see that's really good. ChatGPT will give you also your title. You become what you think, how to transform your life starting now. You guys can see this is your intro. Okay, and if you scroll down, our script starting from here, the power of thoughts. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to copy this script. I will copy this part. So we need to turn this script into voiceover. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go to Google and search for PlayHT. Okay, search for this website and click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you can start using this website to turn your script into voiceover. Okay, so what you will do, this will be your home page. Click here on change voice and choose which voice you want to use.
I'm Will from Amazon. I'm calling in regards to the laptop stand you ordered last week. We've just, rolled out a promotion and
you guys can see they have already some good and an engaging script, an engaging voiceovers from different countries like American voiceover. You can find the British voiceover, Canadian voiceover, and so much more. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose, let me see this one.
I'm Will from Amazon. Alright, so teaching subtraction.
So I will choose this one. This one is good. I will choose. So just click on the voiceover that you want to use and scroll down. So just keep scrolling down and click on confirm. Okay, and here you go. And what you will do next, you need to put your script here. So just put your script here like this, you guys can see. And let's add, I will go back to ChatGPT and I will copy this part here, copy, okay, and I will go back to play HG and I will put this part here. So let's just use this part to show you guys how we can do it. After you put your script here, click on generate speech, okay, and all you have to do, just need to wait a few seconds for this script to be recorded. And then what you will do next is you need to download this voiceover to your laptop. Okay, it's super easy and simple. And here you go, your script is done. So just click here on export, click on as a single audio file, and here you go, your script, your voiceover and your script is recorded and your voiceover is done. So what you will do next, you will go back to, so just pay close attention, you will go to Canva. Okay, go and open your Canva account. If you don't have Canva, go to Google and search for Canva like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video and click on YouTube video over here. And what you will do, you will be directly in this page. So what you will do next, you will click here on elements and you will click here on the search and search for audio. Okay, search for audio like this. And what you will do next, you will click here on videos. Click on videos and here you go. You will find a lot of videos here that you guys can use. So let me just choose good one. So for example, I will choose this one. I will click on this video and you need to choose, you can use just one video. Okay, so for example, I'm going to use just this one. So click on this 3 point and click on scroll down and click on set video as background. Click on add page and add the same video. Okay, and click again on this 3 point and click scroll down, click on set video as background, click on add page and add the same video like I said. Okay, 3 point again, scroll down, set video as background, and here you go. What you will do next, you will go to the first page, click on the first page over here and click on upload, click on upload, click on upload file and upload your voiceover. This is my voiceover. Click on open and here you go, your voiceover will be uploaded over here. Click on your voiceover and your voiceover will be under your video. So let me see, and here you go. I'm gonna make this one here. Make sure to make your video matched with your voiceover, and here you go, you just made the video, super easy video, audio, faceless audio, and you just made a faceless YouTube video about this book, Think and Grow. Let me see which one. Yes, you become what you think. It's super easy. Okay, we just made the video, so let's check.
First, let's talk about the central idea of the book, You Become What You Think. It's simple, yet profound. The author explains that your thoughts are not just random ideas floating in your head. They are powerful forces that influence your actions, decisions, and ultimately your life outcomes. Think about this. If you constantly focus on your problems, guess what? Your brain will find more problems. But if you focus on solutions, opportunities, and success, you'll begin to see those things everywhere.
And there you go.
First,
you guys can see this is an amazing faceless YouTube video, easy to make. And here you go, your video guys is done. So what you will do next, you just need to click on share and click on download and click again over here on download, and this video will be downloaded into your laptop. Then you can go and start a faceless YouTube channel like this one and upload audio box videos, faceless videos. You don't have to show your face or using your voice, just use AI and start making like those videos. and so you can monetize your YouTube channel and start making money on YouTube.